Write decimal fractions as common fractions. Mixed numbers and decimal fractions. Mixed numbers consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. In this example, the 2 is the whole number and the proper fraction is the 3/4. A decimal fraction consists of a whole number and a fraction part as well. The 2 in front of the decimal comma is the whole number, and after the decimal comma we have 7/5, which is the fraction part. Write decimal fractions as common fractions in its simplest form. A. 1, 9. The 1 in front of the decimal comma is the whole number, and the 9 will be the fraction part. The place value of that 9 is tenths, so the denominator will be 10. And then you write the 9 as a numerator, 1 and 9 tenths. It's already in its simplest form, so that would be your final answer. Number B, 3,26. There's 2 decimal places after the decimal comma, 3,26. So therefore, our denominator must have 2 zeros as well. So 3 and 26 hundredths. What can go into 26 that can go into 100? 2. So we'll have to divide by 2 over 2. You can see that I drew an arrow here because I don't want you to leave the 3 behind. Remember to write that down as well. Then we can divide. 26 divided by 2 is 13, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. Number C, 4,04. As a common fraction, we will write it as 4 and 4 hundredths. What can go into 4 that can go into 100? 4. So we will divide by 4 over 4. Again, don't forget to write down the whole number first and then divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Number D, 1,30. 1 and 30 over 100. What can go into 30 that can go into 100? 10. So we will divide by 10 over 10. Don't forget to write down the whole number and then divide. 30 divided by 10 is 3, and 100 divided by 10 is 10.